What is a bearer plant? Let's break this down in very simple, non-technical terms. A bearer plant is like a machine that produces fruit every year. So you don't sell the plant itself. You use it to produce something else that you sell. Example, a mango tree. You don't cut and sell the tree. You harvest mangoes every year and sell the mangoes. So the tree, the production equipment like a factory machine. The fruit, the product, inventory or biological asset. Why IAS 16 and IAS 41 are both used? Because accounting separates the tree and the fruit growing on tree. The tree bears a plant like a machine used to produce, which falls under IAS 16 property, plant and equipment. Fruit growing on tree, product that will be sold, IAS 41 biological asset. Okay, now let's take a simple real life example. Imagine you own an apple farm. Step 1. You plant apple trees. These trees will give apples for 20 years. You are not planning to sell the trees. So, tree, which is long-term productive asset, treated like machinery. The accounting will be under IAS 16, record at cost, depreciate over 20 years. Step 2. Apples start growing. Apples grow every season, so you will sell them in the market. So, apples will be your biological assets. The accounting treatment will be under IAS 41. We need to measure at fair value, which is the market price. So, changes will be recorded in the profit or loss account. So, what is not a bearer plant? For example, if you grow trees to cut and sell like timber, you plant trees after 10 years, cut and sell wood. In this case, the tree itself is the product, not a bearer plant. So therefore, we need to apply IAS 41. Simple rule to remember. Ask this question. Am I using the tree or am I selling the tree? Using the tree to produce fruit, which will be treated under bearer plant IAS 16. Selling the tree itself is a biological asset under IAS 41. Even simpler analogy, factory machine, which is equal to your bearer plant, will be IAS 16. Product from factory, which is agricultural produce, which is under IAS 41. Quick summary, bearer plant, tree is used like a machine. IAS 16 for the tree itself, long-term use. IAS 41 for what grows on the tree, things you sell. Take these three examples. Mango farm, it's a bearer plant and the output is mangoes. So therefore the trees will be under IAS 16 and the fruit will be treated under IAS 41. Rubber plantation, which is a bearer plant, the tree, the output is latex. So therefore the tree will be under IAS 16 and the output will be under IAS 41. However, the timber trees is not a bearer plant. So therefore output is wood. So we need to apply IAS 41 only. In our next video, I'm going to summarize this entire discussion using a simplified flowchart, making it incredibly easy for you to remember and apply these concepts when studying or on the job. So make sure you stay tuned for that. If you found today's breakdown of IAS 16 and IAS 41 helpful, please leave a comment below. So I would love to hear your thoughts. And if you know someone who is struggling to master these standards, feel free to share this video with them so they can benefit from the video too. So thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.